At Miami Stem Cell, we take a regenerative approach to hair restoration, helping your scalp repair and strengthen itself rather than relocating follicles. Our treatments use umbilical-cord-derived mesenchymal stem cells and exosomes, which are being studied for their ability to calm inflammation and send restorative signals that may support thicker, healthier hair. The cells come from ethically donated umbilical cords after healthy, full-term births and are processed in FDA-registered laboratories under strict safety and quality standards. Treatment is simple and non-surgical, delivered through microinjections or microneedling to thinning areas of the scalp. Most people return to normal activity the same day, with early improvements often seen within a few months and continued progress over time. While stem cell and exosome therapies for hair loss are considered experimental and not FDA approved, many patients report encouraging results, and global research continues to highlight their potential. At Miami Stem Cell, we combine care, transparency, and science to guide you toward your hair restoration goals. Schedule your free consultation today to learn more about this innovative approach.